Ever opened the door to your tiny laundry space and felt instantly cramped or uninspired? What if that little corner could become your favorite functional nook? A place that feels stylish, efficient, and surprisingly uplifting. In this video, we'll explore 10 clever and stylish ideas specifically for small laundry rooms. From smart storage hacks to mood-boosting design touches, so you can transform even the most cramped corner into a vibe-worthy, efficiency-packed sanctuary. Ready to fall in love with laundry?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can paint color and finishes visually expand a small laundry area? Light colors and reflective finishes are your best friends. A crisp, light pastel or soft neutral paint instantly makes tight spaces seem larger and brighter. Using semi-gloss or satin finishes boosts light reflection, giving depth and dimension. You can add a painted accent wall in a pale aqua or sage for character without overwhelming the compact space. Don't overlook painting the ceiling slightly lighter than the walls. It creates an upward lift. Finish with metallic or glass accents. Think brass hardware or mirrored accents to bounce even more light. When small rooms feel airy and well lit, they appear bigger and much more pleasant to use. What vertical storage solutions squeeze efficiency into limited space? Vertical space is everything in tight laundry rooms. Install ceiling-high shelves for seldom-used items. Use wall-mounted cabinets or hooks to clear floor clutter. Magnetic strips for metal tools like lint rollers or stainless steel brushes keep small tools organized and accessible. Stackable units, like slim rolling carts nestled between machines, offer removable storage that hides when you're not using it. Clip-on drying racks attach to walls and fold flat when not in use. With thoughtfully layered vertical storage, every inch above, behind, and around your machines becomes functional while keeping the area open. How can small folding stations double as stylish counter space? Countertops over front-load washers turn the top into a sleek folding surface. Choose durable materials, like butcher block, quartz, or laminated plywood, while keeping it color-coordinated with adjacent cabinetry. For renters, add a floating wood plank across machines as a removable folding board. Create a pull-out counter using drawer slides behind cabinets. Even an over-the-door organizer doubles as a folding shelf on the back wall. These simple structural add-ons convert wasted space into elegantly functional workstations without changing room flow. How do you incorporate decor accents without overwhelming limited square footage? Small spaces thrive on minimal yet impactful decor. Choose one or two decorative items like framed botanical prints, a bold pattern wall tile behind a shelf, or a textured rug that injects personality without clutter. Use narrow ledges to display a plant or ceramic jar rather than bulky artwork. Add stylish hooks or black hardware as design elements. Replace bland utility bins with woven or pastel-hued baskets. Even a small, sleek hanging rail for folded clothes adds utility and charm. By carefully selecting accent pieces, your laundry nook feels curated, not crowded. How do you integrate clever organization systems in a compact area? Maximize organization with multi-use accessories. Divide countertop storage into labeled bins for pods, clothespins, stain treatments, or dryer balls. Use wall-mounted baskets or pegboards for tools, each item hanging visibly yet orderly. Clip-on funnel dispensers above machines help reduce mess when pouring liquid detergents. Install a tiny dry erase calendar on the wall to remind you when to run small loads. Float a small caddy from the ceiling rail to hold spray bottles or folded dryer sheets. Thoughtful modular systems tailor efficiency to small spaces while keeping everyday items easily visible and tidy. What plant and greenery options are viable in a low-light, tight laundry room? For small, often dim laundry rooms, low-maintenance greens help bring life. Pothos vines thrive in low light and fit beautifully in hanging planters or on top shelves. Air plants or small succulents live well on windowsills or counters. Small snake plants require minimal light and only occasional watering. Use wall-mounted planters or vertical green pockets to save space while adding vibrancy. Faux greenery is another option. High-quality artificial vines add freshness without care. Adding greenery instantly enlivens the space and lends a spa-like calm. How can lighting solutions brighten and enhance a confined laundry corner? Good lighting removes visual barriers. Install bright ceiling-mounted LED panels or flush lights to eliminate shadows. Place task lights, such as stick-on LEDs, under shelves and overhead cabinets to illuminate folding or sorting surfaces. Add plug-in wall sconces or strip lights above pivoting folding shelves to provide direct illumination. Even battery-powered puck lights under cabinets work wonders. Light in small rooms improves both function and mood, creating a crisp, clean environment that minimizes the feeling of being closed in. How can decor elements tie this space into your home's style? Consistency brings cohesiveness. Match cabinetry hardware, paint colors, or trim to adjoining rooms, like kitchen or hallway tones. If your home favors farmhouse charm, add shiplap walls, barn door-style curtains, or pulled-across wood countertops. For modern aesthetics, lean into minimal lines, chrome finishes, geometric patterned floors, and sleek storage. Contrast can also work. If the surrounding hall is neutral, opt for a bold wallpaper accent or graphic tile in the laundry room to turn it into a mini feature space. Merging small decor touches ensures your laundry space feels both functional and thoughtfully styled. Ever opened the door to your tiny laundry space and felt instantly cramped or uninspired? What if that little corner could become your favorite functional nook? A place that feels stylish, efficient, and surprisingly uplifting. In this video, we'll explore 10 clever and stylish ideas specifically for small laundry rooms. From smart storage hacks to mood-boosting design touches, so you can transform even the most cramped corner into a vibe-worthy, efficiency-packed sanctuary. Ready to fall in love with laundry?